Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. Today, I'm gonna show you the latest updated method to install Scarlet on iPhone and iPad. And yes, no PC, no jailbreak, works on iOS 15, 16, 17, 18, and even the latest, iOS 26.4. Personally tested this on my iPhone running iOS 26.4, and it's working perfectly, so make sure you watch till the end. Alright, let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then hit on Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibbity Tech app, and then you will see different Scarlet, ESign, KSign, links available there. Simply hit on Get in front of the Scarlet link, and then hit Install to install Scarlet in your iOS device, iPhone, and iPad.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused.
Once Scarlet is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let Scarlet work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the Scarlet app will start working in your iPhone or iPad. Now hit on arrow down button on top, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now simply hit Install to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. Let me show you why this method is fire. No jailbreak required, no computer needed. Supports iOS 15 to iOS 26.4. Easy to use interface, fast and reliable installation. As you can see on my screen, I'm running this on iOS 26.4 and everything is working perfectly. No errors, no crashes. So yeah guys, that's the latest and most reliable method to install Scarlet in 2026. If this video helped you, drop a like, comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more iOS tricks, IPA installs and updates. I'll see you in the next one.